Did you know that over 90% of active fund managers fail to beat the market over a 15-year period? That's right, navigating the stock market's turbulent waters often leads back to one trusted vessel: index funds. Index funds, the unsung heroes of the investment world, offer a simplicity that belies their power. They're like having a map to hidden treasure, where X marks the spot on wealth accumulation. Why gamble on picking winning stocks when you can own the entire market? With index funds, you're betting on the economy itself, hitching your wagon to the collective growth of hundreds or even thousands of companies. But it's not just about spreading your bets. It's about doing so wisely, efficiently, and with a keen eye on the horizon. The journey to riches isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And in this marathon, patience, persistence, and a well-chosen path trump the quick dash every time. In this video, we're unveiling the 10 best index funds that are not just paths but superhighways to financial growth. From the pioneers that introduced us to the beauty of passive investing, to the niche funds that align with our values and future visions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, these funds hold the keys to unlocking a rich future. So, buckle up, we're about to embark on a journey through the landscapes of opportunity, risk, and reward. A journey that promises not just insights but actionable strategies to help you build your wealth with confidence and clarity. Welcome to the 10 best index funds that will make you rich. Chapter 1. Introduction to Index Funds, Unveiling the Power of Passive Investing. Hey, friends, ever wondered how you can invest in the stock market without having to pick individual stocks? Well, index funds might just be your golden ticket. These gems allow you to buy a small piece of many stocks in a single transaction. It's like having a slice of every apple pie in the bakery, without needing to know how each was baked. Now, why go for index funds? It's simple. They're cost-effective, diversified, and historically, they've provided solid returns over the long term. Think of them as the slow and steady tortoises in the race, often outpacing the hares over time. Chapter 2. The Vanguard 500 Index Fund, VFIAX, the pioneer that tracks the S&P 500. Diving into the specifics, let's start with a classic, the Vanguard 500 Index Fund, or VFIAX. Imagine a basket. But instead of bread or fruit, this basket contains stocks from the 500 largest companies in the US. We're talking giants like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. Created in 1976 by John Bogle, VFIAX is the first index fund available to individual investors. Its goal? To offer investment returns that mirror the overall performance of the S&P 500. And with a low expense ratio, it's like paying just a few cents for a front row seat to America's greatest companies. Investing in VFIAX is a bet on the US economy itself, a belief that what goes down will eventually come up, stronger than ever. Chapter 3. Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSAX, diversification at its finest. Moving on to our third gem, the Total Stock Market Index Fund, notably VTSAX, is like the Swiss Army knife of index funds. Imagine owning a little piece of every publicly traded company in the US. Sounds massive, right? Well, it is. VTSAX provides investors with exposure to over 3,500 stocks, covering every sector of the economy. This fund is your all-access pass to the entire US stock market, from the titans of technology to the rulers of retail. Why does this matter? Diversification. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket, or better yet, having a whole farm. With VTSAX, you're spreading your risk across a vast array of companies, making your investment more resilient to the ups and downs of the market. It's the ultimate, set it and forget it option for long-term investors who believe in the growth of the US economy as a whole. Chapter 4. NASDAQ 100 Index Fund, QQQ, Tech Giants and Market Movers. Now, let's shift gears and talk tech with the NASDAQ 100 Index Fund, especially the QQQ. This fund is like being part of an exclusive club that includes the top tech innovators and market shakers, like Apple, Google, and Tesla. It's not just tech, though. QQQ also holds biotech and industrial marvels, making it a powerhouse of growth potential. But here's the kicker: with great potential comes greater volatility. The tech sector can be a roller coaster, with thrilling highs and nerve-wracking lows. Investing in QQQ is for those who are bullish on technology and innovation, and who have the stomach for a bit of turbulence. It's a ride on the wings of the future, betting on companies that are reshaping our world. Chapter 5. The Vanguard Total International Stock Index Fund, VTIAX, Global Investing Made Easy. Chapter 5 takes us on a global journey with the Vanguard Total International Stock Index Fund, or VTIAX. Picture this. You're not just investing in one country but are spreading your investments across the globe, from the bustling markets of Europe to the emerging powerhouses in Asia and beyond. VTIAX is your ticket to international diversification, including over 6,000 stocks in more than 50 countries. Why go global? The answer lies in the opportunity to tap into growth outside the US and to hedge against domestic market volatility. Different markets often move in different cycles, so when the US market might be down, another market could be up. VTIAX lets you ride the wave of global economic growth, making it a smart play for those looking to broaden their investment horizons. Chapter 6. Emerging Markets Index Fund, VEMAX, High Risk, High Reward. Next up, let's dare to dive into the dynamic world of emerging markets with VEMAX. This is where the adventurous souls venture for the promise of high rewards. Emerging markets refer to countries that are in the process of rapid industrialization and have higher growth potential compared to more developed economies. Think of countries like Brazil, India, and China. However, with high potential comes high risk. These markets can be volatile, influenced by political instability, currency fluctuations, and economic downturns. But, for those willing to weather the storm, the rewards can be significant. Investing in VEMAX is like investing in the future growth engines of the world, offering a thrilling opportunity for those with a long-term perspective and a taste for adventure. Chapter 7. Small Cap Index Funds, VB, the underdogs of the market. Chapter 7 shines a spotlight on the small cap index funds, with a focus on VB. Picture this. You're investing in the agile, often overlooked underdogs of the stock market. These are the companies that have the potential to grow into the next Apple or Amazon. They're smaller, yes, but what they lack in size, they make up for in growth potential. Investing in small cap companies through VB offers a blend of excitement and opportunity. It's akin to discovering a hidden gem before it becomes the talk of the town. While these investments come with higher volatility and risk, the potential rewards can be substantial. Small cap index funds are perfect for the adventurous investor looking to diversify their portfolio and potentially tap into rapid growth. Chapter 8. Right Index Fund, VGSLX, Real Estate in your portfolio. Next up, Chapter 8 delves into the Vanguard Right Index Fund, VGSLX, introducing investors to the world of real estate without the need to buy property directly. Imagine owning a piece of shopping malls, office buildings, and apartments across the country. That's what VGSLX offers. It's an investment in the backbone of the economy, real estate. REITs, real estate investment trusts, allow you to collect rent and earn a share of the income produced through commercial real estate ownership, all within the comfort of an index fund. With VGSLX, you're diversifying your investment portfolio and adding a layer of stability that real estate typically offers. Plus, REITs often pay out generous dividends, making them attractive for income-seeking investors. It's a way to have your cake and eat it too, benefiting from both the income and potential capital appreciation real estate provides. Chapter 9. Bond Index Fund, VBTLX, the Safe Haven. Chapter 9 introduces the Bond Index Fund, with VBTLX taking center stage. Picture bonds as the calm, reliable friends in the world of investing. They don't make headlines with flashy growth rates, but they offer stability and predictability. VBTLX, in particular, provides broad exposure to U.S. investment-grade bonds. From government to corporate bonds, you're lending money and in return, you get a fixed income. It's like having a safety net under your investment trapeze. Bonds are essential, especially in turbulent market times. They can cushion the blow of stock market downturns, making your investment portfolio more resilient. Think of VBTLX as your portfolio's anchor, offering a steady stream of income regardless of the economic weather. It's an invaluable tool for those nearing retirement or anyone seeking a less volatile investment path. Chapter 10. The ESG Index Fund, ESGV, Investing with a Conscience. Finally, Chapter 10 takes us into the world of ESG index funds, with a spotlight on ESGV. This is where investing meets values. ESG funds focus on companies that are not just about profits but also prioritize environmental protection, social responsibility, and good governance. Investing in ESGV means you're supporting businesses that take climate change seriously, treat their workers well, and have ethical leadership. But it's not just good karma. ESG investments have shown competitive returns, debunking the myth that you sacrifice performance for principles. It's a win-win, aligning your portfolio with your values while still aiming for strong financial returns. ESGV is for those who want to make a difference with their dollars, proving that investing can be both profitable and ethical.